Hey guys, excuse me. Hey guys, excuse you. Please stop talking. Hey guys, what? Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with some more videos, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you why do some Roblox names have the same name. Yes, the same name. So let me show you one thing. You click here, then we're gonna be wanting to click here. Let's click Roblox over here. I don't have an account right over here. Let's do sign in. Alright, so if I use my main account thingy GB, I don't know what I'm putting. I'm just putting what I can. This is not actually my real thing. I don't know. I don't know what I'm putting. Just put this. I don't know what I'm doing. It says the username is already used. And yeah, it's already in use because this is my main app. But you wanna see something crazy? You wanna see something crazy, huh? You wanna see something? Can I talk, God? You wanna see something crazy? You wanna see something crazy? Okay, I'm about to show you something insane. I tried using my main X name. It says this username is already in use. But if we go here and type the name Spyro and people, oops, hey, here you get it here. Spyro 1, Spyro 2, Spyro 3. This people has the legit same account. I mean, fuck me. This people has the legit. This people has the legit same. This like. Alright, let's type the name again. They like have the same name, but if we go here, I am not clickbaiting, guys. I promise I am not clickbaiting. Like I use my alright, let's just try to do Spyro. See, there's like 3 usernames then. Yeah, like yeah. This is the first, like, alright, so this is the first Spyro. He has 1.324 followers. Wow. Oh, this guy's playing a game. Wow. Some of this account are also banned, dude. Wow. Alright, let's go to the next Spyro. This is the other Spyro. This needs 125 more followers to reach this. Yeah. He's following one guy, and he's of course the builder man. So like, now let's go to the second Spyro. Alright, this Spyro is kinda rich, but other was really poor. Oh, he got the 1 year of Roblox badge. Oh, no. Alright, so hello. I hope you are enjoying your day. I read every message and reply to most. I am aware of other 2 Spyros. Unlike previous handful of years, I'm quite active on Roblox this year. and you could probably catch me in Super Numbers. I don't know what game is. I I'm a, I'm quite a simple player. One who sticks in classics. I don't know what. So he joined in 2006. Oh, he also noticed of this Spyros. Let's go in the back. Ooh, he got some big followers. Okay. Okay. So this dude also joined in 2006. This dude also joined in 2006. Yeah, so in 2006 there weren't actually a bot system that if there is a name and other person tries to be that name, it didn't actually say this username is already in use. But when in 2016, when 2016 came, no, not 2016. No, 2008. Yeah, 2008. In 2008, Roblox created this bot thingy-jibby. Bot thingy-jibby. So this bot shows if this thing is in. To show if that their username is already in use. So let's create a name, Spyro 4. Spyro 5. Spyro 6. Spyro... Is there actually... Oh wow. There's actually Spy... Oh wait, it's not... Alright, so here we get it. Let's use... I am the hacker Spyro. Sing up, come on. Frick you. I don't wanna waste my freaking time now. Pick that out. Alright, that's easy actually. Where's the owl? But guys, do you wanna know something even crazier? Huh? Okay, let me show ya. Who are this Spyro user names in Roblox? Let me show ya. Oh, this is yeah, but yeah, but That's what's happening. Why does it show here 13 plus and not in my main act that I'm 13 plus? Oh, cause this account is made it long ago, and of course freaking Roblox didn't realize. Let's write in Spyro 1445. Yeah. Wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's close it. Yeah, so the reason this, like, there is no board in 2016 and 2017, it came on 28. No, am I dumb? In 26 and 27, there was no bot in Roblox, so it couldn't really say, and that's why these people. And I'ma show you guys something insane. I'ma tell you guys who this. Fuck me. I'ma tell you guys who this two Spyros are. I'm gonna tell you guys who this is two Spyros are. You see this guy, huh? This guy was banned for 72 days in Roblox in 2017. He got banned for like 72 days, and his reason was exploiting. God, let me say something. The reason was exploiting, and his real name, I might not want to say it in YouTube, but let me check if you can say it in Google. 1 minute. Alright guys, so I just googled it in, so it says it's okay. So I'm gonna say his real name was Jackson. Yeah, his real name was Jackson, if you believe me. His real name was Jackson. He got banned for 72 days for exploding and threatening a Roblox player or a Roblox kid. He's gonna ban him. I believe it was in 2008. I believe. And if you guys ever wondered who this guy is, Spyro again. By the way, this dude hasn't logged in when he was banned. He actually never ever checked his Roblox account ever again. So yeah, and this guy is also Jackson. He is the same guy. He made 2 accounts, and this is his brother. Yeah. By the way, both when he first joined Roblox, they were like he did it like not same time. You can see 11/12/2016. See? But this guy joined a little earlier. It's 11/9/2016. Before the other Spyro joined Roblox. into the but